Cinnamon is widely used both in the food and pharmaceutical industry because of its antiseptic properties. The cinnamon bark oil is used as a flavoring for digestive aids, liniments, and oral care products. It is also used in many perfumes, soaps, and lotions. In addition, cinnamon leaf oil is used in the food industry as flavorings to candies, sauces, and pastries. The commonly used ingredient is actually the soft, inner bark of the cinnamon tree. This spice is now being heralded as the latest in the long line of herbal medicine wonders. According to research findings, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon contains 28 milligrams of calcium, 1 milligram of iron, fiber, and vitamins C, K, and manganese. The use of cinnamon dates back in Chinese medicine to 2800 BC, and is known as kuai in the Chinese language. Ancient Egyptians used it in the embalming process of corpses because of its fragrance. Medieval physicians used this spice to treat coughs, hoarseness, sore throats, and other types of infections. Cinnamon also has antibacterial and inflammatory properties that help reduce joint and muscle pain, especially the discomforts associated with arthritis. Many health specialists advise diabetics to take daily dose of cinnamon to regulate blood sugar levels. It can also benefit one's health by improving the body's digestive system and relieve many stomach discomforts. In aromatherapy, cinnamon oil is used to stimulate and warm the senses, restore vigor, and treat stress and anxiety. Cinnamon oil is also important in strengthening the immune system because its scent is said to treat early stages of cold and fever. The oil of cinnamon is also used as a physical and emotional stimulant, with many believing that it can actually enhance one's libido. Medical research also indicates that the scent of cinnamon may reduce drowsiness, irritability, pain, and frequent migraines. In some studies, the essential oil provides relief to tight muscles, ease painful joints, and relieve menstrual cramps in women. Cinnamon also increases the action of enzymes that break down the food in the body and help improve one's metabolism. Here are the other health benefits of cinnamon. Studies have shown that just 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon included in a daily diet can lower cholesterol. Cinnamon may have a regulatory effect on blood sugar, making it especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Cinnamon has shown an amazing ability to stop medication-resistant yeast infections. A study released by researchers at the U.S. Department of Agriculture in Maryland showed that cinnamon reduced the proliferation of leukemia and lymphoma cancer cells. It has an anti-clotting effect on the blood. When added to food, it prevents bacterial growth and food spoilage, making it a natural food preservative. Smelling cinnamon may boost cognitive function and memory. Researchers at Kansas State University found that cinnamon fights the E. coli bacteria in unpasteurized juices. Indeed, cinnamon has many benefits that can be used to improve one's health and well-being. If taken together with a balanced, healthy diet and plenty of exercise, one can bring back the spice of life that everyone longs for. Do you enjoy cinnamon? Here is a spice that we can enjoy, and that is also healthy for us. Cinnamon was one of the first commodities traded regularly between the Near East and Europe. Surprisingly, cinnamon is a small evergreen tree. It is the bark that is processed which turns into the ground cinnamon and cinnamon sticks, or quills, we are used to seeing. Its active and healthful components are cinnamaldehyde, cinnamyl acetate and cinnamyl alcohol, which are derived from the essential oils in the bark. Ceylon and cassia are the two most popular varieties of cinnamon, even though there are 100 of varieties. Cassia, the stronger of the two and the less expensive, is more common in North America. Both cinnamons are an excellent source of trace mineral manganese and a good source of dietary fiber, iron and calcium. Insulin reduction. By just digesting a teaspoon a day, patients with type 2 diabetes had lowered their blood sugar, cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Levels increased when they stopped adding cinnamon to their diet. Cinnamon normalizes blood sugar levels. This helps to reduce cravings for sugar. This helps to control blood glucose levels by preventing insulin spikes after meals. It reduces serum glucose, triglyceride, LDL cholesterol as well as total cholesterol. Other healthy benefits. Cinnamon has anti-clotting properties. Helps prevent the unwanted clotting of blood platelets, which places cinnamon in the category of an anti-inflammatory food. This anti-inflammatory benefit can help relieve arthritis as well as relieve pain and stiffness of muscles and joints. Cinnamon also has antimicrobial actions, stopping the growth of bacteria as well as fungi and yeast candida. It is so successful as an antimicrobial that it has been used as a food preservative. There are so many other helpful benefits of cinnamon, beside the effect it has on blood sugar and its anti-clotting and antimicrobial properties. Just a few benefits of cinnamon are listed below. Curbs cravings, supports digestive function, relieves congestion, constricts and tones tissues, boosts brain function by boosting cognitive function and memory, relieves menstrual discomfort, improves circulation by thinning blood, provides calcium and fiber, protect against heart disease, improves colon health by removing bile salts from the body, prevents urinary tract infections and irritable bowel syndrome, helps address tooth decay and gum disease. How to add cinnamon to your diet. Adding cinnamon to your diet can be easy as making toast. Just add a touch of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon to whole grain bread for an adult version of cinnamon toast. Sprinkle cinnamon onto your whole grain oatmeal or cereals or on yogurt, soups and sauces. Simmer your favorite tea, coffee or soy milk with cinnamon sticks, creating the perfect breakfast drink or bedtime nightcap. For an ethnic flair, add liberal amounts of cinnamon to beans or meat in your Mexican dishes. Or add to curries and chilies for a warm, spicy kick. You can also sew vegetables with cinnamon sticks for unique flavoring and healthful benefits. Remove the cinnamon sticks before serving. Let cinnamon add some spice to your life. Please like, subscribe and share the video and help us get to our first 1,000 subscribers. We put up videos every day for your health and natural fitness. Thank you.